Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about customer service statistics you need to know in 2022. After spending all that time and efforts sourcing for the perfect dropshipping product to sell and setting up your business, your online marketing strategy is finally in place and the first sales are starting to come in. But before you lay back and relax, there's one key area of your business that you still need to tackle: customer service. In this video, we will present to you customer service statistics all entrepreneurs must know when setting up their company's customer service. What is customer service? Here we will discuss about what is customer services. Before diving into the customer service statistics, we must first understand what customer service is. In a nutshell, customer service is providing assistance and help to consumers before and after they carry out a purchase. This means it applies to prospective customer who are thinking about purchasing a product or service from you, and customer who have already bought from you. Good customer service is important to grow your dropshipping business, as the following customer service statistics will show the importance of customer service as not only part of your brand image but also marketing and sales efforts cannot be ignored. The interconnectedness of it all means that one single poor customer service experience can result in loss of brand loyalty, customers, and ultimately sales. So, if you are already buckle up and let's dive straight into customer service statistics you need to know in 2022. The global customer experience management market size. The start, let's have a look at just how big the customer experience market is. According to a report by a Fortune Business Insights, the customer experience management market worldwide is worth as much as $11.34 billion in 2022. This is a 12.2% year over year, increasing from its value of $10.11 billion in 2021 and is expected to increase $32.53 billion by 2029. Over the coming year, the market is not only set to continue growing but also sustain this impressive growth rate. Its compound annual growth rate is accepted at 16.2% from 2022 to 2029.